I went over more in.
Welcome to Gray's World. Guys, are you gonna get whipped or whipped? Because whip is to get pie on your face. Because this is called pie face. Whoever lands on the number, they have to do it.
Alright.
So how do you play? How do you play pie? Wait, you gotta turn it this way. Got Forky.
So you put your face in here and you have to turn this.
And what goes right here?
However many clicks, how many
Whip
spin, how many. When you do a spin, whatever the number is how many clicks you
How
got.
many cranks you do. Are you ready? Who do you want to go first? Do you want to go first?
I would say.
I think it would be smart that you
Yeah.
would go first.
Let's
No,
do that.
Dad.
No, I'm
Here,
saying.
here, here. A little bit of whipped cream.
All
Alright.
right.
And roll your thing.
Spin it.
Spin it.
Spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel. Dun, 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 dun. He got 3.
3.
Uh-oh.
There he goes.
Do it. Do it.
1.
Do it.
Yeah.
1,
Put your face on
2.
up in there. Put your face on it.
3.
Hello.
Alright, it's Daddy's turn.
What? What?
Uh-oh.
What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Dad's gonna get whipped.
Dad's turn. You think he's gonna
Oh
get
my
whipped?
gosh.
He's gonna get whipped.
I got 5. What?
Alright, it's time to watch Dad get whipped. You ready? Count. 1.
One.
Hey, I got it in my eye. Here, get some. Here.
I said no sugar.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Hey, so how funny was that?
That's funny, and now it's Mom.
Now it's my turn. So hopefully Mommy and Grayson will escape the whip, right? And hopefully it'll get back to Dad, right? High five. High five. Alright, it's Mommy.
Alright, we gotta fuel it back up with some whipped cream.
I hope Mommy.
Yeah, I hope Mommy gets it too, but.
A little more.
No, that's 40.
Actually, no, it was a little bit more. she said, no, that's plenty.
Here we go.
Don't give me her. Don't, no 2.
Here we go.
Oh, she got a 4.
Oh, no. Here we go. Ready?
You about to get whipped.
2, 3, 4.
Gosh.
Mama didn't get whipped. Mama didn't get whipped.
I did get whipped.
Alright, it's your turn.
Yeah, I wouldn't be talking too
Hey,
soon. But you gotta put your chin on up in there though.
You got
Oh, he keeps spinning.
3. You got 3.
Hey,
All
you
right.
put your chin up
Put
in
your
there.
chin
No, I'm good spin again.
No, you don't want to do that. You got 3.
2.
No.
3. It was 3. Okay, and do
Oh,
3
cheater over here.
3 cranks.
1, 2.
2, 3. Do one more. One more.
Oh!
All right, Grayson. Now it's Daddy. Daddy. All right, what Daddy get? What Daddy get? What Daddy get?
Oh!
Oh, 2.
Mama might be getting whooped. This is nerve-wracking at this time.
1.
Oh my god, not again. Why do I keep getting it? Y'all quit singing.
Daddy got whipped.
Y'all quit singing about me.
Daddy got whipped.
Y'all quit. All right, now back to the game. Back to the game.
My turn.
I can't wait to start singing about Mom.
4.
Oh.
I hope she doesn't get
4
whipped.
last time.
She's getting whooped.
Daddy got
Mama got whipped.
Yes. Now,
All right. Mama's getting cleaned up. Daddy's putting.
That's what my thing
All
was.
right, what'd you get?
Two.
All right, he got a 2. There we go. I said, oh. Oh, you got lucky. You got lucky. You got lucky.
Daddy, think Mommy got with.
Hey, here we go. Here we go. Now Mom's taking the camera, or you can film. Here we go.
Yes!
Here we go.
Am I filming you? Oh.
Wait a minute. Come on. I got a 3. I got a 3.
are you filming it right?
All right, make
Let's see this.
All right.
I want to do mine.
I got a 3.
I hope Daddy gets me.
Cheers.
No!
Mama turn. She wants a 2.
I still got whipped cream.
I'm 5! I'm 5!
Oh.
Mommy got 5!
Here we go.
All right, here we go. Go ahead, watch. Watch.
First time, watch.
I went on her forehead. Went on her forehead.
I was right!
Look at it.
Mommy, it's so cool!
Cool whip.
Mommy, it's so cool!
Check this out. This is the grand finale. This is the last round. And you know what makes this the last round, Forky? What's that, John? Well, it's gonna be a lot of whipped cream on here. Who do you think is gonna be, Forky? I don't know.
I think it's gonna be Dad. How much?
Okay, that's good.
The ultimate. Oh, I feel sorry for whoever's getting whipped.
Dad, Forky said Dad.
All right, that's the last round. I think it goes to you.
No!
All right, go.
No, Dad.
No, spin the wheel.
It's your turn.
Mommy just went. Spin
Spin.
the wheel.
He puts his face in.
Spin it. 3.
Oh, you got lucky.
Hey, that's a good one.
You got lucky.
3. Ready and let's do it, baby. 1, 2.
Good. Oh, you got
Grayson,
lucky.
I think you have escaped the whipped cream.
I think he has. No.
Whoa.
What is, how that
How
happen?
did you do that?
Dun, 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 dun. Grayson escaped with prison.
All right, here we
There
go.
goes Daddy.
Here goes
Yes.
Dad.
I need it.
I hope Dad doesn't
2. Oh,
escape.
no.
I hope Dad doesn't
Come on.
escape.
That's a lot of whipped
Come
cream.
on, whipped cream. 1.
I want to fail.
I got it. Here we go. I got it from the. Oh my gosh! I hope she gets a 2. Ooh, she got
I'm
lucky.
gonna 2. Yes. Okay, please.
Hey, Forky, do you think Mommy is gonna be the winner too? I don't know.
All right, here we go. It's your
All
turn.
right. Here.
All right, spin the wheel. Spin the wheel, bud.
Oh, Forky. Here we go, bud.
No, spin it right. Do right. Spin it right. Spin it right, baby.
Something's wrong. Yeah, there you go.
You got 3.
3. You good? You did good. Here we go. 1.
1.
2.
2.
Oh my gosh. There we go. Go. It's a grand finale.
Look.
Is it? All right. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for getting whipped. And this whipped cream is good.
Bye.
That was
Like and subscribe to our channel now.